Hey guys, so we do have the follow-up to the Nokia 6 in 2017. This is the Nokia 6 2018 edition, which you can see comes with Nokia 6.1 on the box. Not 100% sure why that is, but it is the new version of the Nokia 6 here. So we're going to unbox it and have a look at what you're getting. I'm assuming it's going to be quite similar in terms of the build quality to the Nokia 7 Plus, so the copper kind of build quality. So just unbox it here, and you can get these for about €200. It's an Android One smartphone, so should be very quick updates stuff. 4 gigs of RAM, Snapdragon 630, very nice spec for the price. As you can see, it feels very solid. Starting off here, will it surpass the build quality of the first one, which I think was absolutely epic? We will see. Let's have a look at what you get in the box here. So getting started, as you can see, and also your little box here. Guessing this is a charger. Does it support the fast charge? So looks like it. Cable and some very basic earphones here, as you can see. So what brand is these? I don't really know. WH108. So quite basic, but it's nice that you do get them nevertheless. And your SIM tool is in there as well. So let's get it unwrapped here. Oh, so we are getting a slab again. Very nice cold aluminium feel to the device. Oh, nearly went on the table then. But you can see they've retained a very nice build quality, which is awesome. I do like, again, the chamfering going around the edges here, as you can see. Wow, you're getting a lot of smartphone here for your money. 4 gigs of RAM as well. Type C. Amazing stuff. Headphone jack as well. You retain that. Very nice here in terms of the build quality. Definitely as good as the last one. They haven't skimped at all. So the actual bezel ratios are about the same as last year, I think here. Not a huge difference. Maybe a little bit better, but not everyone really cares about that. See, with the Android One here, in terms of the startup, you're getting Adreno 508 for your graphics. I don't really follow the graphics of phones anymore. I don't really know if that's good or not. It might be. Obviously it's a mid-range processor, so it should be decent enough. We'll just skip through this. So it's nice to have the localized version of the phone here, not one that I've imported. So this is exactly as you're going to get it in the local market. Very quick setup. And this is the interface, as you can see. Very stock kind of appearance here, very pixel. Let's have a look at the Android. So we're on 8.0, might be some additional updates. Nokia's very quick there when it comes to that. Let's have a look at the camera here. Has there been any changes to it? So this is the 7 Plus. You can see they're pretty much identical really, but I think the 6 is better built overall. This feels more plasticky. Which is quite interesting given that the 7 Plus should be the higher end phone here. So I should take a quick shot. So you can see it takes a shot pretty fast. Not expecting the best quality here, but it should do the job. As you can see, this one's much sharper. Very nice. You get quite a few settings here. Looks like they've made the interface a lot better than the last one, which was kind of like it was designed very slapdash. So you can see some nice modes. Pro mode. Do we get 4K? So we'll just go to the video. Any 4K here? Whoops. So you get live broadcast, and you do get 4K. Wow, that is quite nice. So in terms of the technical specifications of the camera, you are getting a f2.0 16 megapixel with phase detection, autofocus, Carl Zeiss optics, dual LED. The front facing camera is 8 megapixel, 2 as well for the aperture, so it should be quite decent for your selfies. Let's have a look at the wallpapers here, see if we get any new ones. So it looks like pretty much the same as last time, which is a little bit boring, but can't complain given the price, I guess. So yeah, just a quick little unboxing, first look of the brand new Nokia 6 for 2018. I'll be doing some comparisons with this one, seeing how it does compare here. You're getting Bluetooth 5.0 as well, which is very nice, and the battery I think is 3000, so same as last year for that. So yeah, just a quick unboxing of the Nokia 6, hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.